Complexity is the biggest challenge in modern manufacturing. More variants, stricter quality requirements, more parts, more suppliers. Bossard Smart Factory helps manufacturers manage and reduce this complexity across logistics and assembly by creating one connected, efficient factory. Peace of mind starts with error-proof inventory management. Smart Factory Logistics streamlines your entire supply chain with a digital, automated Kanban solution. The result? Full transparency, lower total cost of ownership, and the highest possible parts availability. Once parts arrive, it's all about getting them where they need to be. Last mile management takes control of the last mile, connecting warehouses, lines, and workstations. With digital guidance and optimized routes, it eliminates missing parts and cuts walking distances. The result? Teams spend less time waiting and searching and more time producing. At the workstation, complexity impacts quality. Smart Factory Assembly is the digital assistant for operators, guiding every step, connecting tools and devices, and capturing quality data automatically. The result? Real-time transparency, faster onboarding, and consistent execution even for complex variants. Parts, logistics, assembly, and operational data are synchronized. The factory becomes more transparent, more responsive, and more productive, allowing people to focus on value creation. Bossard Smart Factory solutions turn complexity into clarity and operations into competitive advantage. Modular, scalable, proven in daily operations.